We're on the way to my Taiwan pre-wedding photo shoot at my friend Jimmy's mom's wedding shop in Taoyuan, Taiwan, the same city as the Taipei airport, so it's convenient for worldwide travelers. We're at Jimmy's mom's wedding store. I used to think she was so cool because she would like go into Europe a lot and get stuff. Whoa, this is his brother's bubble tea store. You can have some boba while you're getting ready for your photo shoot. Oh, the colors are so pretty. Hey. Make sure to get bubble tea while in Taiwan, because how are you gonna go to the mother place of boba and not get any? Is this it? Yeah. Wow. Oh, I like that. I'm getting my makeup done. What the heck? So cool. Me and Jimmy know each other because we were in the same exchange program in France. He usually lives in Canada, and you'll have to find out in another video why he's in Taiwan the same time I'm studying abroad in Hong Kong. Oh my gosh. She's so good. Dang, maybe I should do my eyebrows more. I'm just not used to it. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna overdo it. But look at her.
Open your eyes. 本身这一睫毛还蛮长的。对啊。
Maybe I should wear makeup. I feel like I'll look better, but not in this weather.
Yeah.
Like in Hong Kong, it's either raining or super hot, so it's not worth it.
Yeah. Look down.
Can you close it?
Yeah.
The language barrier won't stop you here because there's people that can translate and speak English, and there's always hand signals.
Open your eyes.
This is my 1-year anniversary since visiting Taiwan and getting this pre-wedding photo shoot. Unfortunately, I'm not getting married right now, but this is definitely on my bucket list for when it's time. I wanted to make this video to share their amazing hospitality and service, which is probably why they're called Amazing Wedding 1314 on Instagram, and I'll link everything down below. Oh my gosh! I look so much better than usual! We're also gonna get professional photos, apparently in their studio room. Oh my gosh, this is like, I'm a doll. This is so much fun though. This is so cool and I look so good. Like, I have lashes! I have lashes! Also, she put on eyelid tape, which is interesting. I feel like I'm like embracing their beauty standards here, because my skin is like lighter. But it kind of matches my neck. Oh, yeah. But I'm lighter. And then I have one eyelid tape. Yeah. I don't know why. We're not sure why. We think maybe she thinks this one is like prominent enough. But honestly, that's kind of cool because I was like, oh, my eyes could be even if I put on just one eyelid tape where it should be. Because I feel like they're not, but let's not focus on that. And then, you know, lashes. That's really big in Asian culture because we have like really straight lashes. So I feel so Taiwanese. Oh my gosh. So many pretty dresses. She's picking the dresses for me.
You can try it out.
Oh. Okay. I like this one. But I don't know, like, do you think it'll look good on me?
She think it will look good on you.
So pretty. I feel like a princess. I wanted a poofy dress.
You wanted a what?
A poofy dress, because I've never had one. This feels so magical. I always admired your mom for getting this, and now I'm like wearing the stuff she's bought. I'm getting my hair done. excited. I'm getting so well treated here. So nice. My fairy godmother is doing my hair. But this is the before. After she did my hair, she basically gave me more volume.
Yeah.
But now we're going to the photography room. My shoulders were a lot darker, and now they're even. Because she like put like this body foundation on. Cause okay, I didn't like need to ask because my shoulders were a little too dark for my face, and I wasn't comfortable. And then she did my hair, but beauty hack, she crimped it like just at the roots so that I had volume. Because at first it wasn't really working because my hair was kind of flat because of the humidity, I think. And now it's like, yeah. Wait, can you get the bag? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's so pretty. I'm like a princess. Okay.
Okay.
This is the photography room. It's so cool. There's so many pretty sets.
Yeah. More defined.
It's not about the it's about the eyes. Face. Very nice.
I didn't bring high heels and I'm short, so we're using my shoes and this block so it adds height. Life hacks! So many life hacks!
What are you looking at?
Everything. There's so many different colors on the wall. Wow, it's like a whole setup. Everything's so pretty. Okay.
And lower your shoulder.
Lower this shoulder?
Yeah, nice. Lower your chin a little bit.
Oh yeah. One eye. Does this one work? Or should I?
How about blue like this?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Block again so I can stand next to him. For you to find your perfect dress. Look at this.
Photos and there's no light.
Oh, true. Whoa, this one's like a lot of big flowers. That's so cute.
We would take like family photos too.
Aww.
And those are the dresses, the shoes that you can buy for weddings.
Oh, wow, these are so pretty. These are their actual customers. They're so cute. I love that. Aww. This is so cute. If you're in the northern Taiwan area as a tourist, there are some attractions you can see around the amazing wedding shop, like this temple, and of course the family-owned bubble tea place right next door, whose recipe I could not get enough of.
So,
This is good.
is it good? How's the taste?
It kind of just tastes like milk.
Yeah.
Is there tea in it?
No, it's pure milk.
I like it better than milk tea. As you can see from the video, it is so much fun to have friends all over the world. If you like this video, I'll make a blog post on how you can make international friends while in college, because that way I'd know if people are interested. To learn more about the temple and the bubble tea shop, check out this video on things to do when it's raining in Taiwan. Subscribe for more activities to do in the Taipei area, and hit the bell if you want tips on traveling all over the world while in university.